Glowkidztv! Wow! What a big mess! Let's learn how to clean up! We can do it! This is how to teach cleaning! First, the toy chest! Let's put the blocks inside! I pick up the block. 1, 2, 3. And I put it in the toy chest. Yay! I found a teddy bear. Let's learn English words. I place you on the chair. There you go, bear. Look! Crayons and paper on the table. Time to G-ather the crayons. This is fun! Fun! I put them in the cup. Perfect! I stack the papers. Neat and tidy. Now, I slide them in the drawer. Good job! Oh, the bookshelf is messy! Let's learn how to teach organizing. I take the book. It's a big, big book! Stand it up straight, nice and tall. Time to dust. I use the feather duster. Swish, swish. We need the tea rash bin for this paper. Learn English with me. I throw it in the bin. Bye-bye, trash. Look! The room is getting cleaner! How to teach kids is so fun! Now, let's sweep the floor! Here is the broom! I sweep the dirt! Push, push, push! I hold the dustpan! We are a great team! The dirt goes in the pan. We did it! I empty the dustpan. All clean! Wow! We learned English and cleaned the whole room. We are cleanup champions. You can learn English with us. Thank you for learning how to clean with us. Subscribe to Glowkidztv for more Learn English adventures. Click here to watch more fun videos and learn English.
Bye-bye! See you next time!